As the month of Hajj is here, you will see videos like the virtues of Hajj and good deeds to do type of video. I want to complement those videos with something you probably won't find elsewhere. How to make dua for hours without getting bored. After 5 minutes, let's face it, most of the time we can't think of anything else to make dua for, so we just stop. But when Hajj comes along and on the day of Arafah, there is so much time to make dua. If you don't plan it properly, that blessed time might pass with very little worship to show for it. That's why what I'm about to show you is so important. Here's what I suggest: how to make dua for hours without getting bored. 4 things. 1. Create a mind map of your desired life. A mind map is a brainstorming tool that you might be familiar with. If not, look it up. Prepare a mind map in advance of a long dua session. In the middle, put me, then branch off one side dunya and the other side akhirah, and let your brainstorming go wild. The mind map will help visually organize all your duas. 2. Pace yourself in 20-minute blocks. Our mind starts to wander after 20 minutes. If you take a timed 8-minute break every 20 minutes, you'll keep your energy longer. 3. Mix it up. Quran, Dhikr Dua. What I like to do is have a theme for every 20-minute block. For example, in this block, I'm reading the Quran. In this 20-minute block, I'm doing dhikr. In this block, I open up my mind map and make my duas. 4. Follow along with YouTube duas. When the day gets long and your mind is wandering, this is your go-to. Open up a YouTube dua video and follow along with the Imam saying Ameen. Bonus if it's in your language so you can know what the Imam is saying. And hey, link for me in the comments some of your favorite follow along duas. This is Muhammad Alshareef. My dua for you is to see you succeed at the highest level. On behalf of Qalbi and the Discover You team, in these blessed days, please remember us in your duas. And it would be really cool if you could make dua for us right now.